The dream of saving fuel with a V8 engine often relies on a system that shuts down half the cylinders when you are just cruising, but when that system fails, it can feel like a disaster. If your check engine light is on for a P3416 code, your car is struggling with the exhaust valve control circuit for cylinder number 2. This is part of the cylinder deactivation feature where the engine control module, or EACM, tries to turn your thirsty engine into a fuel-sipping 4-cylinder mode during light loads. It does this using variable valve timing solenoids to essentially lock the valves shut on specific cylinders. For this code, the computer has detected that the voltage in the cylinder to exhaust valve circuit is higher than it should be. This is a big deal because when the EECM gets confused by this high voltage, it might actually cut off the fuel injector to that cylinder to protect the engine, leaving you with a very noticeable and frustrating misfire. While you might be tempted to just go out and buy a new solenoid, I highly recommend checking your oil first. This entire system relies on hydraulic oil pressure to move those internal components. If your oil is even slightly low, or if you have been skipping your oil changes and have some sludge buildup, the solenoid cannot do its job correctly. Take a look at the technical service bulletins for your specific year and model too, because sometimes a simple software update for the EECM can fix these ghost issues. If the oil is fine, you will need to check the wiring for any signs of rubbing or bare spots. Use your digital multimeter to check for continuity. You should see 0 ohms of resistance in a healthy wire. If the wire is open or shorted, or if the solenoid itself has an internal failure, that is when you will need to start replacing parts to get your smooth idle and fuel efficiency back to where they belong.